Hey there, guys. Finding the right cat litter can be a challenge, especially when you have multiple cats. So this multi-cat clump and seal for Arm & Hammer, I'm going to share why we use this one in our house. So one of the things that my wife and I really can't stand is when cat litter can give you some of that dust when you're pouring it in or when you're scooping it out. So one of the main features that we like about Arm & Hammer's clump and seal is that it's 99.9% dust free. So we like this one here. It's their largest size because we do have two cats. It really helps with the odor a lot too. I know you're not going to totally get rid of odor, but I want to show you how well this clumps. Look how well it clumps. I just wanted to share with you why we use Arm & Hammer's Clump and Seal multi-cat cat litter. There you have it.